everybody, my name is Peng Lap and you are now watching the very first episode of Freestyle Makan. Where am I now? We are now in Jinjang Utara. Oh, Hakka Yong Tau Fu. And I never have my breakfast yet leh. Okay, so let's go and try now. Wow, so many food here. My saliva all come down already. Stop talking and start eating now. Maybe first. The meat very 彈牙 here people say here the 腐皮 very nice and the fish ball inside very fresh, very nice. Very nice the soup, ngam the taste all this food very nice People ask me where got Yong Tau Fu nice one I said generally we suggest them come here. And now I'm going to try another food. And all this food I will pass to my crew to finish it. Okay, let's go to another street. After Yong Tau Fu, chicken rice. Jajey chicken rice. No. Jajey chicken rice. This chicken rice store is one of the famous chicken rice in Jinjiang. You can see the chicken. Their meat very thick. You see their skin shining. The chicken, oh my god, delicious. And their rice, not the normal rice. Their rice is very fat, very thick rice. If the chicken mixed with rice, it's more delicious than you eat on the chicken. People say chicken rice must eat with sauce because the sauce is important. If the chicken mixed with the sauce, it will be more delicious and nice. Time still early. Now we go and find another delicious food. Let's go. This time, Tuama Banh Mi. As you can see, Saturday and Sunday, no matter morning or night, also full of customer. They have 3 different kind of soup: Lo Banh Mi, original soup, and one spicy. Now I start try one by one. The first, Lo Banh Mi. The soup is berkat enough. For those who like the soup berkat one, you can order this. Very nice the soup. Their soup won't so salty. Ngam one. Okay, now I try the second one, the original soup. This banh mi they not use the machine gao. They use their hand to koyak. This banh mi because they koyak one, so very consistent, very like this. And their mi won't so nipis, very tebal one. Okay, the last one which is spicy, like tom yum. For those who like to eat spicy one, you can just order this. So this one I think is not bad lah. The soup I see many oil here, very oily confirm very spicy I tell you See, I smell, I also know spicy If I eat got fire my mouth I tell you with chili also Every weekend you don't need to worry because here got a lot of table. Even though many customer you come here no need queue. You go inside only, you can just double sit and order. This morning I already went 3 different restaurants. The first, Yong Tau Fu. Second one, chicken rice. The third one, Tuama Banh Mi. I wonder if night still got another delicious restaurant more. Never mind. Let me finish all this first. I don't want to give my crew eat already. Hey, 我的小可爱。
嘿，我的小可爱，
皇冠给你戴。I wait dinner wait until crazy already Very sorry What time now? It's 8 p.m. It's dinner time. Why so many people I want to go and see. Let's find out. Let's go. Finally, here comes to the last station, Dai Chao. I wonder why so many customers here. I can confirm that all the food here is very nice. The first, this called Phuc Minh. Their Phuc Minh very nice. Not so oily, many ingredients. They put vegetable they put prawns they put meat The second, this called Ban Yi Minh, just like the Phuc Minh. Also black color, chop. This one look nicer but their noodle very nipis sikit This is not bad also because these two dishes are not so oily. Now the third dishes, Watan Ho. This Watan Ho cannot as the kway teow like kway teow goreng, but this one with chap, don't so salty. The taste ngam. Other people, the elders, they confirm won't complain. Sometimes our parents come the elders they come here, they order this type of noodle sometimes outside very oily one, and then they start argue why so oily, this so oily, why so many ingredients, all not fresh. But here, Jinjiang Dai Chao, definitely all fresh. One more special food here, chicken wings. You can see their chicken wings. You see their skin. One so black, ngam, shining. You see, shine bright like a diamond, I tell you. You see their chicken wings. Not so, one so big, one so small. Ngam one. Oh my god. Very nice here. You can see the skin. Very sweet. I can confirm that they gonna put the honey on the chicken wing. You see, shining, sweet one. I forgot the sauce. Actually, chicken wings the most important thing is sauce also. The sauce is just like mother. Chicken wing is father. They must combine.
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
I can say this sauce and this chicken wing is the best combination. If next time if you have no idea where to have your supper, no worry. Jinjiang Dai Chao is the place where you should go. I think this is the end of this episode. Goodbye. See you next time. And I think all my crew is hungry now. Okay, never mind. I don't want to talk. Goodbye.
很耀眼哦！
谢谢。那我们还在吃完赚啊，小姐。
那不一起吃的不我的吗？
送我一杯，一比例。
送几瓶就送那个，
没牌的小东西。
就是有热的爸爸，black 的，好的，你要的几两
？Jazebelle。熊猫黑白。
哇，还在煮。
这人走啊，没走。